I am so excited. I'm going to show you my new house. This is my first home I just purchased last month, closed on June 14th, and I'm finally in the house. We've done a few things before I moved in, like we redid the floors and painted the walls, but finally in the house now, and I'm loving it, and it is a mess, all right? So I'm going to give you a house tour. But I'm going to warn you right now that it is not how the house is going to look in a few months. It is a mess. I'm sitting out here, first off, in my enclosed wraparound porch. It's enclosed because this is Georgia, Atlanta, and the mosquitoes are like, wow, they are something else. I'm making sure there are none on me. The porch wraps around. That is my bedroom window back there. I have this nice little table here that I just bought on Facebook Marketplace the other day. There's the front of the house. Not much going on. I'm going to be adding plants. We're going to go to the plant store this afternoon. So I'm going to add some plants. In the meantime, there's just a lot of kid stuff out front. Let's go inside. I'll show you the rest of the house. Welcome in. This is my living room. It is kind of strange to be sharing it with you because it is a mess. The house is great condition, but it was a little dark in here. So originally the floors were very dark brown, not too dark actually. They were just like they were a dark brown that needed a little bit of refreshing. But I still like how they turned out. They're very fresh and much brighter and much lighter, which I think is just helps modernize this otherwise very old house. This house is 101 years old. Also, the walls in this living room and most of the house were really light gray. Now, it didn't feel so dark when you just walked into the house in the middle of the day when it was really sunny outside, but it still darkened the space and made it a bit more conservative, traditional, not exactly what I wanted. I wanted to bring some of that California brightness, whiteness here to my Atlanta little Victorian bungalow. So my favorite things about the house are the leaded glass windows. I really just like all of the antique elements from the house that I assume are original. I'm not quite sure, but there's leaded glass windows around the front door, which is just so pretty. And there's also leaded glass around the front window. Here in the living room, I also love this fireplace, which you cannot see, I'm very sorry. But behind all of this artwork is a covered over fireplace, meaning it's not functioning. I could make it function, but I'm never going to actually use it, so why spend the money? But it's got these really cool green antique tiles on it, which I think is really pretty, and I'm gonna leave how it is. Eventually, I will probably put some decor above the mantelpiece here. So I honestly love this sofa. It's the most comfortable sofa I have ever had, but I got to say I might be replacing it with something a little bit more glam because I think this space can really handle it. The house just has so much charm. I'm gonna switch out the lighting fixtures because these are not working for me. But everything I want just to be a little bit more glamorous, a little bit more feminine. And so if I do replace this sofa, I will likely be replacing it with a either purple or pink velvet sectional. Okay, so this space right here, this area right here is going to be, I'm just basically going to put a console table, like an entryway table here against this wall underneath this pretty detailed window. And on one side, I'm planning to do a nice chair, like a nice accent chair. And on the other side, I'll probably put a plant, or maybe I'll do 2 accent chairs. Okay, now let's come over here, shall we? This in here is my dining room. But let me show you the best thing about this room. One of my favorite things about this house are the pocket doors. Ooh, scraping. Don't scrape, my friend. Okay, so let's go in here. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. Okay, so here is the dining room, right? So over here in this corner is going to be my office. I'm thinking about doing a nice clear acrylic desk. You can just buy like a console table and use that as a desk. I'm gonna have a nice round table in here instead of my rectangular table, which I do love and I will be sad to part with. And against this wall right here, what I'm thinking about doing is a floating shelf right there with art on top of it, art and plants. You see this room is so bright. I love it all day long. This is the brightest room. So I want to make sure that I keep it fresh and, like I said, minimalist, like I said before, because I just don't like all this clutter and junk everywhere. It's going to look so different. It's going to look so much better. But let me show you this fireplace. These tiles, and no, I don't like these tiles at all. They're these weird glass tiles that look like the backsplash that a lot of people use in their kitchens or in their bathrooms. So I don't know who did this, but I do not like it. And I'm trying to figure out what to do with it, how to cover it or just redo it. But otherwise, this is a lovely fireplace and mantle. We have a nice mirror here, which I hear is good feng shui. Very important to have in your dining room. There's pretty baskets up here now. Probably put some artwork up here, but don't clutter it. No clutter. Hello, come on in to my kitchen. Well, first you enter the butler's pantry, which I'm my own butler, of course. It's super cute. I love this, though this is a very narrow entryway. I am considering opening it up, pushing this all out. That'll be later down the line. So you walk through the butler's pantry. I have my nice glasses here, my wine glasses, and just like my nice regular little glasses, as well as my prettiest cookware that I recently got from Crate and Barrel. It's part of their Milo collection. It's just one of the new colors. In here is the kitchen. I love it. It's got really high ceilings. The whole house is 10-foot ceilings, which is just perfect. It adds to the antique charm and lightness of this house. So this is the kitchen. There's only this one window here, which is pretty small. It doesn't let in that much light. This kitchen, as you can see, it's already renovated. The people who owned this house before me, they renovated it just a few years ago. And it looks pretty good. It's very modern. It's very clean, really nice, expensive appliances. This is my fancy stove. It's called Verona. That's the brand. Never heard of it, but it is legit. I also have this cool microwave that pulls out. What? And then you push it and it closes back. That's some futuristic stuff, y'all. I'm not used to that. That is so high end. Because sweet potato soul is my job, because food and the kitchen are my passion, I'm actually going to be renovating this kitchen again. And here's the thing. It's not because of sweet potato soul 100%. It's also because of feng shui. So this wall that I'm standing right in front of, that's an exterior wall. It faces the backyard. And that backyard, that's south facing. South facing light is it's the strongest all day long. And I really feel like sad that the energy and the light is blocked with this exterior wall. So if I have it my way, depending on the price, but we'll see, I will take this wall out, this exterior wall. I know it's a big deal, but I want to do it. And I'm going to extend the kitchen out onto the enclosed porch, which is right behind me here. I want it to be like a little breakfast nook. It'll bring that natural light here into the kitchen as well. So it's gonna be great for my videos and just great for inspiration, because I'm gonna be writing a new cookbook this summer, hopefully. This year, let's say this year. And I just need all the inspiration that I can possibly get. All right, so I also have a full pantry, pretty large, spacious pantry. It is so junky. Oh my gosh. So I come in here, and the only thing I know where it's at is I know where my granola is at. I know where some of my spices are, really just these spices right here, just like these three. And I put this cart in here, and I know where the stuff on top of the cart is. Okay, well, Baby J is not ready to get up just quite yet. She said no. So give her some time. In the meantime, let's go into, actually in the meantime, let me show you this hallway. This is a big, wide hallway. It's almost my wingspan, but not quite. I love this hallway. I feel like I could actually finish the attic, which is quite large, and fit a stairwell here in the hallway so that I can make this a 2-story house, which, how cool would that be? So let's go into my bedroom then. So you know when you know you're on the road to something great, but you're just not there yet. Basically, you're in the middle of the journey. that's where I am with this house, every single room of this house. But I know it's gonna be so nice once I finally have furniture in here. At the moment, all of my clothes, all of my linens and towels are everywhere because I don't even have a dresser anymore. I had to sell my gorgeous dresser from the old apartment, but I still kept my bed. This is my gorgeous bed, mustard velvet bed with the avocado vegan mattress on here, which is cozy, comfortable. I sleep so well. This morning, Max woke up with baby Jay, and I got to sleep in until 10:30 a.m. Anyway, here's my bedroom. I love it. Tall ceilings, 3 windows. I really think it would be nice to have a Chase lounge right there. I could read and relax and just chill by myself, okay? And let's go into the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. It's an ensuite bathroom, which is, ooh, really nice. I'm not used to that. This bathroom, however, is so outdated. There are 2, mine and hers, and they are both incredibly outdated. They both need to be renovated. This wall is, I don't know why it's here, but it's got to go. It doesn't make sense. In the bathroom, these old tiles have to go. Even the tub is like, I love taking baths. I need a soaking tub. And then for the counters, they're like these weird, I don't know what that material is, like plasticky, 80s, 90s, 70s. I don't know what era that's from, but it is not modern and it cannot stay. But the bathroom is such a nice size. It's super nice size. So I won't feel cramped. It doesn't feel like a little tiny old-fashioned bathroom at all. It's very spacious. Oh, can we also talk about these tiles, these bathroom tile floors? Oh my God. The fact that the grout is dirty is the least of its problems. It's just ugly. So thank you for serving this bathroom floor for so long, but it is time for you to be retired. I love these crystal doorknobs. I was inspired by our old apartment in LA because that was a very old house, 1920 as well, and it had crystal doorknobs. Now those I think were original. They were at least a lot older, but being in a Victorian style home, also from 1920, I had to also replace the original or the old doorknobs, which were handicap pulley knobs, with these beautiful crystal doorknobs. She's still sleeping in there, even though I've had the door open for like half an hour. Now we're gonna go in baby Jay's equally as old bathroom. Same ugly tile floor, same tiles on the walls. Not the same countertop, but very similar, same material. I'm actually putting this lower down on my priority list. We're gonna renovate my bathroom first. And so during that renovation process, we'll be able to use her bathroom. And then once mine is done, then we'll do hers. Hello, sweetie. Time to wake up from your nap. Oh my God, how pretty is it? It's so pretty and pink. Can you wave? Yay! Hi. Hi, pretty girl. You look so cute. I love the pink bedroom. Pink dress, pink bedroom. So this is baby Jay's bedroom. This is my favorite room in the house. Why? Because it is all pink. The ceiling is pink, the walls are pink, the trim is pink, the closet door is pink. It is such a pretty room, especially for a little girl, but I'm totally jealous. You like your bedroom? Yeah. You like the color? Yeah. It's so special, right? Another thing I want to do for this room, but I have an appointment with a carpenter later this month, is I want to add some wainscoting, some trim to the walls, very traditional trim to make it look like we're in Paris or something. I'm gonna do that to this room, all the walls in this room, as well as my room. I'll put a little example up on the screen so you'll see what I'm talking about. And it's just going to really elevate it. Also, this room doesn't have a lot of furniture. We only have this crib, her bookshelf, and you could call the, would you call the easel furniture, the chalkboard? Yeah. Okay, in the chalkboard / easel. You wanna get out? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. You're so cute. You're so cute. Do you see the chickens? Are they out there? Are the chickens out there, honey? Last room, the laundry room. Not much to show you here, but just a bunch of crap and my washing machine and dryer. But out here is that wraparound porch I told you about. So let's go out. This is the enclosed porch. Thinking about opening up this wall. How cute is this swinging porch bed? It's very cute. When I expand all this, I'll just move that to the wraparound porch up front. That's what I'll do with that. So we're not gonna get rid of it. I hope you guys enjoyed my junky house tour. This house is going to look so much better once we finally have furniture and I've designed it, but I've only been in here, how long have we been in here? A week and a half. So we have a lot more to do, but I'm so excited because I've already done a lot. Like I did the floors, I did the walls, I did the landscaping. So I'm sure the furniture is gonna be here soon, and once everything is looking gorgeous, I will share an updated house tour video, and you're gonna love it. And in the meantime, along my journey, which hopefully isn't too long, I will be sharing on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's at @SweetPotatoSoul. Also on my TikTok, which is just my name, so at Janae Claiborne, and my TikTok is gonna be dedicated to my home decor design journey. So make sure you follow me over on TikTok. You'll see different design content over there. Yes. I'll be back soon with a new video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and notifications so you don't miss a single video. Right, Kizzy? Yeah. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. Baby, you want to say bye-bye? Bye. She said bye. Bye. Yay! In our new house! Our new house! Our new house! Wow, I'm so dizzy. You dizzy? You dizzy? Ooh.